With the surge in online education, students are navigating a new learning landscape. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Edu Talk Show on Basic to Tech on YouTube. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so you don't miss other interesting and education programs designed for you. I'm your host, Carla. We have a distinguished guest, Mr. Ben, an experienced educator with deep insights into online learning. Welcome, Mr. Ben.
Thank you, Carla. It's a pleasure to be here and discuss this crucial topic of online learning.
We're delighted to have you, Mr. Ben. Let's dive right in. With the surge in online education, students are navigating a new learning landscape. Could you emphasize why mastering online learning is essential in today's educational environment?
Absolutely. Online learning offers incredible flexibility and accessibility. However, to truly benefit, students need to develop specific skills and strategies. Mastering online learning not only ensures they can succeed academically, but it also prepares them for a future where digital literacy is increasingly important.
Very true, Mr. Ben. Now, let's get into the specifics. What are some practical tips that students can use to stay focused and engaged in a virtual learning environment?
Staying focused in an online environment can be challenging. First and foremost, students should establish a dedicated study space. This area should be free from distractions and associated solely with learning. Next, they should adopt a structured routine, setting specific study hours and breaks. This helps create a sense of discipline and consistency. Another crucial tip is active participation. Engaging in class discussions, asking questions, and seeking clarification fosters a sense of connection and keeps students engaged. Lastly, utilizing digital tools like calendars and task management apps can help students stay organized and on track.
A dedicated study space, structured routines, and active participation, great strategies for success. What about time management? How can students effectively allocate their time between lectures, assignments, and self-study?
Time management is vital in the online learning environment. Students should start by creating a detailed schedule that includes all their academic commitments, including live lectures, assignment due dates, and self-study sessions. They should allocate specific time slots for each task. Additionally, students should prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. This ensures that they focus on high-priority items while also allowing time for review and reflection. Regularly reviewing and adjusting the schedule based on progress is also crucial for staying on track.
Clear schedules and prioritization, excellent advice. With online learning, the line between home and school can blur. How can students maintain a healthy work-life balance while pursuing their education remotely?
Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is indeed essential. One key practice is setting boundaries. Students should establish specific start and end times for their study sessions and stick to them as much as possible. They should also allocate dedicated time for relaxation, hobbies, and social interactions. Additionally, regular physical activity and exercise are crucial for overall well-being. Students should schedule time for physical activities to ensure they stay healthy and energized. Lastly, they should also communicate their schedule and boundaries to family members or housemates to ensure they receive the necessary support.
Boundaries, physical activity, and communication, important factors for a balanced life. Let's address a common challenge, maintaining motivation in a virtual learning environment. What strategies can students use to stay motivated and overcome potential feelings of isolation?
Maintaining motivation can be a hurdle, especially in virtual learning. One strategy is setting clear, achievable goals. Students should define specific objectives for each study session or week, providing a clear sense of direction. Regular self-assessment and celebrating small achievements are also powerful motivators. Acknowledging progress, no matter how small, reinforces a sense of accomplishment. Additionally, Staying connected with peers and instructors through discussion forums or virtual meetups can help combat feelings of isolation.
Before we wrap up, could you offer a few quick tips for students who want to start mastering online learning today?
Absolutely. Here are a few quick tips. 1. Create a dedicated study space. Keep it clutter-free and conducive to learning. 2. Establish a structured routine. Set specific study hours and breaks. 3. Actively participate, engage in class discussions, and seek clarification when needed. 4. Prioritize tasks. Focus on high-priority items while allowing time for review. 5. Maintain a healthy work-life balance. Allocate time for relaxation, exercise, and social interactions.
Valuable tips, Mr. Ben. Thank you for sharing your expertise on mastering online learning.
Thank you, Carla. It's been a pleasure to be here and discuss these important strategies for online learning success.
To all our viewers, remember that with the right strategies, you can thrive in any learning environment. Until next time on Edu Talk Show, keep learning and keep growing.